Oh. It's him. Good morning.
You have a plan to Pushkar, madam?
Hello.
Oh, thank you so much. Namaste.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Korea.
Excuse me, you don't need to worry about anything anymore.
Yeah.
Because the guys are taking care of
That's
it.
great. Thank you very
Because I
much.
received last night from the hostel owner.
Yeah.
He was calling me like something happened.
Yeah.
So I was shouting on them. Yes, they are not coming anymore in this street.
That's
So you
good.
don't need to worry.
Thank
Okay?
you very much.
You
Thank
can feel like as a butterfly. You can fly.
Yeah, definitely.
We are
Yeah.
here to support you.
Thank you very much. Okay. Oh my god, thank you. 약간 호스텔에서 부른 객샤분들이에요. 여기 어떻게 걸어다녀?
There was one lady. So we gave her
We did the same thing before.
like she was alone and it was already dark.
Almost dark. Yeah. Okay, that's good. 뭔지 모르는데 핑크. You want chai? Yeah, of course. Let's go. I have tried a lot of chai, right? Yeah. Quite a lot. Not here actually, in Delhi. Oh, okay. So I just got 5 chai a day. Everybody was like, just drink chai. You drink chai in Nepal? Oh really? Ah, Nepal the chai.
The first thing that we drink in the morning is this chai.
In the morning?
Yeah.
Ah.
Morning, afternoon. It's like, how do you say it? We offer chai morning, afternoon, evening.
Every time actually?
Every time for the guest, yeah.
Oh.
Like if someone is coming over, you ask for like
Chai.
chai.
Oh.
Like if she's my guest, I'll ask her, do you want chai?
Oh, okay. 되게 손님이 오면 꼭 차이를 내는데요. A lot of people think that chai is just for Indians.
Yeah, most of the people.
Yeah, but it's not.
We say it's not chai. We call cha.
Cha. Oh, just a bit different, but the same one.
The same thing.
Oh, cha.
You haven't tried first time milk tea?
Yeah, but I haven't really seen how to make.
I will teach you.
와, 이거 뭐야? So milk and tea. 이거 뭐야?
We put some herbal things.
Herbal.
Ginger.
Oh, ginger.
I know this ginger, but I don't know what herbal thing we had it.
바질. 아,
Yeah.
매실. 와. 냄새 난다. 매실 향기가 난다.
It's very healthy.
와.
5 cup, है ना? So I'm telling him that it's very small. We need a big cup. Almost a half a liter. Almost a half a liter. It's almost a half liter for me. Normally the chai is like, it should be in big cup like this.
Ah, but it's quite
And
small.
small.
Yeah.
It's very small. It looks like it's almost a tequila shot.
That's it, that's it. 귀엽다.
I know.
재밌는데? A big different smell from Delhi.
Yeah, because we added the basil leaves, right?
Oh.
Normally in chai, I've never seen adding basil
Basil.
leaves. So
오. 어떻게?
Normal.
normal. 깜. No. 야, 이거 노멀이야? 노멀? 아, 그거를 수 있구나.
मैडम जी को दे दो ना उनको दे दो ना
Can I?
he will add it. Thank you.
थैंक यू
매워. A bit spicy. Yeah. Cheers.
Walk around and
It's not? It's like
different actually. It's
actually? Okay, jaipur chai.
This is Jaipur style.
매워.
Good for your throat. Yeah.
야. 감기 안 걸리겠다, 이거는. 오, 멋있네. 와우. 이거 뭐야? 뭐야? Oh my god. 소복하고?
Shootings everywhere.
뭐야, 이거 근데 촬영이야, 뭐야?
Pre-wedding shoots, after wedding shoots.
Maybe it's not too hot. It's really good breezing here, so that's why. Perfect timing to be married. 다 슈팅 중이야. Oh my god, we're extra. 우리 어디로 와? We're just looking at them now. Yeah. Oh my god, where should I go? 아씨 어떡해. 빨리. 매운 짜이에다가 웨딩 슈팅하고 있잖아. Gone? You guys need a half liter actually at least.
Yeah.
Gone.
Yeah, for me it's like one sip of tea.
어머 여기도 있어? Oh my god. At least 5 couples here. 여기서 찍어 6. Oh my god. 6 couples. Oh 7. Wow.
You're counting, yeah?
Yeah, that's true. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be a background. 어머. 멋있다. 이거 멋있긴 하네. 진짜 색깔이 어마어마하네. 여기서 웨딩 촬영할 건 하네.
Am I the only single person?
No, it's me too. You guys married?
Yeah.
No worries, you have me. Yeah, I'm single too. The guy said this is like all the best Rajasthani artists. Yeah, they are the ones who drew this and kept it here. 이거 다 아트 작품이야. 컬러 감각이 예술이네. What a single lady. They're really disturbing them. 호프의 천국이구나. 결혼식 사진의 장소. 메카. 바로 이곳이었다. 역시 예쁘긴 해.
You wanna try ice cream or no?
One scoop? Can we? Yeah, we can try out this. 난 먹어야지 아이스크림. 언니들 안 먹나 봐. 언니들 맞나? 여기가 라자스탄에서 가장 유명한 아이스크림 집이라는데요? 아니에요.
That's for you.
와우. 맛있겠다.
She's like, I need spoon. And then I'm like fighting with them. You want a spoon? Give me a spoon. I need spoon.
really?
I'm
You
fighting with them. And then she's really nice.
Yeah, I really like it.
Very nice.
아우, 이거밖에 안 남았어.
It's from France. Yeah, I remember one song.
You remember? Whoa! Sivana!
Crazy about love.
Crazy lover, like love. Crazy lover. Oh, crazy lover. You will meet lot of Divana when you travel solo. Maybe she speaks Hindi, but she needs to deal with it. Wow, that's interesting.
150.
What?
And it's still expensive actually.
조리 바자르인가? 그런가 봐요. 언니들 쇼핑하신다고 해서 나도 따라봤어요. 오, 이거 어디다 쓰는 거야? It's for floor? No, floor? bedsheet. bedsheet? 아, 이거 침대 커버구나. 그렇구나. 또 네팔에선 비싸서 일본, 여기 인도에서 다 사간대요. 와, 이거 DP가 장난 아니네. 애기부터 어른까지. 이거 애기 옷이야 뭐야? 아, 이거 이런 거 하나 사입까? 시원한 걸로 하나 살까? 아가들 옷 사려고 하나 봐. 여기 아가가 있으시대요. So cute, right? And it's warm.
You can wear both sides.
That's why. 완전 귀엽다. 와. 와. 이거? 괜찮을까?
No. She doesn't
So,
like it.
okay.
Yeah, she doesn't like, but she'll try. I know.
Let me try.
I said 3 plates, yeah?
Okay. Is it potato?
Yeah, potato, onion, spices.
Wow. Mixing.
Okay, ready?
Bagels. Oh my god.
नियम पेज करना
Should I hold for you?
क्या लगो
For you. Okay. Yeah? I'm alright. You're done. 우와, 이거 약간 고춧가루 물 먹는 것 같아. 뭐, 또 먹어? You guys like it? 응. No. I'm done. 매워.
Do you want to try sweet?
Sweet? Yeah. Woo! I'm your side. Oh my god. 너 sweet 맞아?
I hope so.
Yeah. Not for me. Not for me. Yeah. 애가 개수네. 야, 물 먹자, 물. 오! 또 먹어?
Lina, I gonna suka.
Wow, they're enjoying it. They're buffet. They're in a buffet.
You want suka? Or potato?
너무 부실한데? 오, 매워. 완전히 스파이시. 완전히 스파이시. 야, 무슨 고춧가루 물을 먹는 것 같아.
Still not spicy for us.
Not spicy? 뭐야? 오, 와우. 후, 나 매운데. Do you want to try this? 뭐야? What is that? 뭔데요? No, not this one. 우드? 우드? 뭐 소주 그냥 막 줘버려? 어머. 어빛. What is that? What is that? 바나나잖아, 바나나.
You like this?
Oh, yeah. Oh my, 뭐야? 이해요, 저리 봐. 믹싱. 아, 팬메이드. वो ज़्यादा लेमन Haven't seen someone is wearing sari. Oh my god.
ये बच्चों का ड्रेस टाइट हो जाएगा ये
이렇게 하는구나.
कोई तो बिल्कुल लूज सा
어머. 아, 뭐 접어가지고. 우리나라 옷고름 마냥.
अब आपके सामने 4 किलो
इसकी पटलियां
안에 넣어.
ये प्रेस
결혼한 여자는 저걸 주로 입는데요. 결혼 안 한 여자는 말고. 쇼핑을 하는구나. Oh, this is the one. 이렇게 사리 쇼핑을 하는구나.
This is my sister's choice. Then she wants me to buy these ones, and I'm very bad at shopping.
Okay. 뭐야? 놀이공원 같다. 뭐 해야 돼? 어른은 900, 아이는 550. 19가지 메뉴가 있나 봐.
It's a big thali. You'll get all of this food in one thali.
One thali.
Yeah.
19.
Yes.
Wow.
That's why we are paying like 800.
800.
Because this is the authentic Rajasthani food.
약간 그런 걸 다 보여주기도 하면서 박물관이기도 하면서 뭐도 먹을 수 있고 막 이런 것도 할 수 있고 그래서 애들이 많구나. 오케이. 코리안더.
Mint and Korean.
이게 맛있다.
Yeah, so mint and coriander. This is garlic butter.
와우.
This is
Salad, black bean.
and this one is dried green leaf.
गर्मा गर्म पकौड़ी
Okay.
Papuri.
पकौड़ी
Papuri. What is papuri?
Like fritters. Fried fritters. Yeah.
You dip it. I love it.
राजस्थानी स्वीट
लो जी टेंशन दाल
와.
This is lentil soup.
렌틸 숲. 맵다.
यस बाकी
But you have to crush it and put it in this soup.
너무 뜨거워.
Okay, let's see.
바게트 같다.
लो चटानी मक्के की रोटी है मक्खन लगाओ ऐसे
Okay.
아, 여기 붙여가지고.
Kanda is what? Kanda is?
맛있다. 이렇게 나온다. 이렇게. 아, 이렇게. 딱 집어가지고. 아 오케이 따라해 감자인데 매워. 오 손으로 찝어가지고 먹으라고 그러네. This one, how can I
You do like
how?
keep the rice in the middle.
Like pour it.
Pour it.
아 오케이. 섞어.
And you eat with
Eat
that.
it. Okay. 이거 어디 있고? Yeah. Sweet? And what is that? Sweet. 우와. 진짜 먹어보자. Here. 어때 서울에? Let's go. Kerala here. Come to Kerala. Come to Kerala. Oh, what god? What is it?
Ganesha. Very long time back when this country were not divided like India, Nepal.
Yeah.
This kind of, they used to come and fight. And on that time, let's say we are here in one community, we cannot go out because at that time the transportation and everything was not provided.
No.
So warriors used to come from the other side and they used to fight. And they used to look for the ladies. So at that time, they started piercing to show that all the ladies from our community is married to save the girls.
Okay.
But then later what happened is the young girls, they should protect the young girls also, no? So they started piercing them, also saying that they are also married, but they are not.
They just try to protect
Protect
themselves.
the girls, yes.
Oh,
that's one of the
okay.
stories that I heard
Oh,
from my
wow.
grandfather. There's so many stories
I
actually.
think so, yeah. But what about now? They don't care really, but...
No, they don't care, but in our culture we have to pierce.
Oh, you have to?
Yes.
If you're married?
No, I did my piercing when I was like around 1.5 or 2 years.
Oh, so it's kind of the cultural things though.
Yeah.
Wow, it's like also for protections as well?
No, not now.
Just
as a fashion or
local culture.
yeah.
That's really interesting.
Not anymore saving and stuff.
Oh, anymore. 와, 이거 뭐 너무 잘해놨다. Jungle.